Hi, this is Chandni Lalwani. I have come from Mumbai and मैं काफ़ी टाइम से डॉक्टर रेखा बरजवानी से कनेक्टेड थी एंड कुछ बैक इश्यूज थे because I used to live in US. I'm basically a software professional, was working there from 7-8 years. So being a software professional, we have to sit for 8 to 10 hours, in a continuation. So over a period of time, I have developed a lot of, back issues connected to spine, lower back, mainly the postural issues. So after coming back to India from last 3-4 years, I've realized that, the things have not sorted out 100%. So I got a reference of Dr. Rekha Bharjwani, met her a few times and she gave me a few medicines also. But still, the base was missing. So she called me like couple of days before कि हम यहाँ पे camp लगा रहे हैं. There will be special doctors coming. All your backache issues, postural issues will be sorted. I was pretty excited and the wonderful thing which I would love to tell everyone. When I was in US, मैंने 2 दिन का वहाँ पे ऐसे कुछ फिलाडेल्फिया में ट्राई किया था. I was surprised कि 10 days का camp, if I'm not wrong, somewhere around $1,000. So मैंने सोचा कि instead of going for 10 days, मैंने सोचा 3 दिन का अटेंड करके देखती हूँ. So trust me, I paid $300. There was basic exercises and some yoga pranayam, nothing else. So yes, it gave me a temporary relief, but I ended up paying $300. तो जब डॉक्टर रेखा बरजवानी ने मुझे 6 days package inclusive of everything with doctor treatments, with yoga, pranayam and there was a special doctor, there was a yogic doctor, there was a yogic healer. The way she taught us the techniques and the tricks, how to work on your postural issues, and not only that, in our special days of 4 days which every woman gets. So I was pretty surprised, like the morning schedule of waking up at 5:30, 5:45, having 8 glasses of water with those specific medicines and then followed by yoga pranayam and then those specific diets, covering all those salads and all, which trust me, even I haven't found those combinations in US because I've been to pretty much all the shops of Costco's or Safeways and all where you get everything ready-made, but the way they make it here, it was amazing. So I'm truly kind of feel blessed that I got in touch with Dr. Rekha Bharjwani and they follow like a lot of desi cows and out of that they make some medicines. So they have some God-gifted things as well and plus their study. So trust me, today I feel like really relieved, so fresh, and they have a few Panchkarma treatments also, which definitely supports to clear the toxins from our body. And the best part, I have seen the whole team, right from the morning, the person who was coming up and knocking the door to wake us up, because it's so difficult to, we are not used to, like being a software professional, we don't have any timings. I can walk into office anytime, finish my 8 hours and come back. So there is nobody who will say come to office at 9 o'clock. Here they was like so cool and they were so supportive to wake us up at 5:45, be ready by 6, go, and then everything like served in your hand, right from your breakfast, your morning breakfast, then your lunch, then your evening thing, then all those cleansing stuff. What kind of amazing coordination, because I seen in corporate everyone gets paid and because of responsibility they do it, and here it was so pleasant, so they were pretty cooperative and like a lot of support was given. So that kind of enthusiasm and that motivation was already there कि yes, we want to do it. And on top of that, the location which they have selected, amazing. I must say that the way I have seen those Sheraton's complexes and all in US typically, so I pretty much it was kind of a resort. Being in India, being in in Gujarat, and you come for a camp in 13K in kind of 6 days. It was kind of a holistic approach and the location is like damn cool. So I'm pretty much excited and would recommend all my type of professionals who come from a busy life or a corporate life, software professional, medical doctors, or who have pretty much tough schedule, they can definitely must attend 1 or 2 camps in a year. So thank you.